Morning guys, this Wednesday morning. Hope everybody's well. It seems like the school's been closed for ages, but I'm going to start with some shout outs today. Shout out to Corey Tate. I know yesterday found doing his work quite difficult, but today he's got back on it and showed that resilience, so well done. And Rachel sent me a picture of something on TT Rockstars. She actually won 2 festival battles, which are battles against the rest of the world. So well done. You see that picture coming up in a second. Well done to those two. You two get my virtual trophy today. So well done to those guys. Make sure you're keeping up with that guided reading and remember to answer in those full sentences. It's really good practice to do that because it really helps you with your writing, making sure that you're writing sentences which make sense. Times Table Rockstars, boys, you were really close yesterday, so a little bit closer, but Rachel seems to be your problem at the minute, your nemesis. So I've set up another competition. It ends tomorrow, so keep going with that. Maybe this time you'll be third time lucky, boys. Maths tomorrow, you're going to be doing some word problems, so it's really important that you underline the key information in the problem and work out what number operations you are going to need to use and potentially what order you need to use them in. So if you watch the next little video clip, I'm just going to go through a problem and help you find out what information that you need to highlight and which number operations you may need to use to solve it. The appropriate word problem for today. It says a supermarket has 12,840 toilet rolls at the start of the day. During the day, 8,570 toilet rolls are sold and a further 20,320 are delivered. How many toilet rolls are left at the end of the day? Okay, so first things first, we can go ahead and underline our numbers because obviously we're going to need those in our problem. Okay, but then we need to try and work out what number operation we're actually going to be using. Okay, so this is the amount that they had at the beginning. So if I write that down at the bottom here, okay, that can stay there. And we need to work out what happened with these numbers. So this number here, 8,570, that represents how many were sold. So if they were sold, they were taken out of the shop. So that's going to be takeaway. Okay, so subtraction. So we're going to subtract 8,570 from 12,840, and then this 20,000 here, 20,320, they were delivered. So if they're delivered, they've been added into the shop. Okay, so that would go down here. And in terms of how we solve this and is there an order to it, well, it doesn't really matter what order we solve them in because we can add this maybe first to the amount that's in the shop and then take off the amount that was sold, or we could take off the amount that was sold and then add on how many more were delivered and we'd have an answer at the end of it. English for tomorrow, guys, it's just to carry on with your Blitz stories. Remember, if you're using chapters, that is great, and carry on with doing that. If you do finish early though, remember you could do some editing and improving and maybe think about changing some of the vocabulary to really engage the reader and make it even better than it already is. Your challenge then, you may have noticed that there are 3 digits that were in the video today. I want you to find those 3 digits and I want you to try and rearrange them so that you've got a 3-digit number which is a multiple of 7. And just remember to email me your answers once you find it. Okay, good luck.